Welcome. Today we confront a silent killer of productivity in many small and mid-sized businesses, data silos. These occur when each department, be it sales, operations, or finance, keeps data locked in its own vault, inaccessible to others. In industries from retail to manufacturing, healthcare to finance, silos are holding back growth. We'll see how breaking these silos unleashes cross-department collaboration, speeding up decisions, and seizing opportunities that many SMBs are currently missing. Data silos carry a hefty price. According to Forrester, knowledge workers burn 12 hours each week hunting for data across systems. That's a day and a half of productivity lost, time that should drive growth. In one industry survey, 76% of companies admitted silos impede internal collaboration, and 74% see silos as a competitive disadvantage. When each team works with fragmented information, no one has the full picture. Decisions get made on partial data, leading to mistakes, wasted budget, and higher costs. In short, silos fragment your business's brain, and the business suffers for it. Imagine the opposite of silos, a company where everyone operates from one source of truth. Marketing, sales, operations, finance, all drawing insights from the same up-to-date data. When data flows freely, collaboration becomes second nature. Your teams respond to customers with one voice, spot problems early, and innovate faster. This unified data vision sets the stage for advanced analytics and AI adoption, because your AI is only as good as the data it can learn from. The goal: one team, one data truth, driving smarter decisions everywhere. Breaking silos starts at the top. Leaders must set a clear expectation. We win together, not in isolation. This might mean reorganizing rigid hierarchies. Spotify, for example, busted silos by creating small cross-functional squads, mixed teams from different disciplines all aligned to a common goal. Management guru Peter Drucker said, "Culture eats strategy for breakfast," and it rings true here. No matter the tools we implement, if the culture doesn't encourage trust and knowledge sharing, silos will persist. As leaders, show by example. Share insights, tear down walls, and recognize those who do the same. Build a culture where collaboration is the norm and guarded fiefdoms have no place. People respond to incentives. If each department only cares about its own targets, silos will remain. Instead, establish shared KPIs that force teamwork. For example, align marketing, sales, and service around one goal like customer retention or net revenue, so no team wins unless all win together. Change up the reward system. Consider tying bonuses to company-wide achievements, not just departmental quotas. When collaboration is rewarded, it becomes a habit. At Microsoft, Satya Nadella famously reset metrics to promote cooperation, and internal innovation soared. The message is clear: we succeed or fail as one. With aligned goals and incentives, departments become accountable to each other, not just to their own silo. Often, silos form simply because people aren't talking. Fix that by setting up open communication channels. Hold regular cross-department meetings or town halls where teams share what they're working on and data they've gathered. Create cross-functional project teams. For instance, a new product launch squad with folks from R&D, marketing, and customer support all working together. This breaks the yes versus them mentality and replaces it with shared ownership. Also, leverage modern collaboration tools, chat platforms, project management boards, wikis. When a sales team closes a big deal using a new strategy, let the whole company see it on an internal blog. When operations discovers an efficiency hack, share that knowledge openly. The more communication flows, the harder it is for a silo to survive. While our focus is on people and process, let's not ignore technology, the backbone of data unity. A unified data platform breaks down silos at the source by consolidating data into one repository. Whether it's a modern data lake or warehouse, like Snowflake or Microsoft Fabric, get your data out of those departmental closets and into a central hub. Implement a data catalog so everyone can discover what data exists, where, and what it means. No more, I didn't even know that dataset existed in accounting. Integration tools like AWS Glue can connect disparate systems, and analytics tools like Tableau can then sit on top to provide a single dashboard of truth for all departments. Tech won't magically fix silos without the right culture, but it empowers your team to collaborate by making shared data accessible and trustworthy. For collaboration to truly take root, every team member needs to feel confident and capable using data beyond their own silo. Implement self-service BI. Give departments user-friendly tools to access and analyze data on their own, without waiting in line for IT to generate a report. This might mean adopting intuitive analytics platforms and training people to use them. Which brings us to education. Invest in building data literacy. Teach your salespeople basic analytics. Train your ops folks on that new dashboard. As skills grow, fear of the unknown shrinks. It also helps to designate data champions or stewards in each department. These are go-to people who ensure their team's data is clean, shared appropriately, and used effectively. They act as bridges between teams. By empowering and educating your staff, you turn data from a siloed asset hoarded by a few into a shared language spoken by all. This isn't just theory. Forward-thinking SMBs are already reaping the rewards of busting their silos. Take Sigma Sports, a mid-sized retailer in the cycling industry. Their e-commerce team had tons of product knowledge, and analytics had tons of data, but it lived in spreadsheets and wasn't shared efficiently. By building a central data warehouse, in their case, BigQuery on Google Cloud, to connect marketing, inventory, and pricing data, they created an automated, unified system. The impact? They increased ROI on ad spend by 33% and profits by 14%, all while cutting ad costs by over a quarter. That's real money from better data sharing. In finance, ORNL Federal Credit Union faced a familiar problem. Each department ran its own reports from separate systems, leading to conflicting numbers and slow analysis. They partnered to implement a cloud data platform using AWS and Snowflake under the hood that pulled all data into one view. Suddenly, executives had 30 unified dashboards at their fingertips, and analyzing large datasets became quick and easy. According to their data VP, this directly reduced customer wait times in branches and boosted decision-making speed. Whether it's healthcare networks integrating patient records, or manufacturers finally syncing up production, sales, and supply chain data, the takeaway is clear. Silos can be shattered. If these companies did it, so can yours. When you eliminate data silos and get your organization collaborating, the effects on your business are profound. Decisions happen faster because everyone has the information they need when they need it, not after begging another department. Customer experiences improve because you're operating with a 360-degree view. No more telling a customer, "Hold on, I need to check another system." Your team already knows the answer. Internal innovation takes off. Employees start combining insights from different fields and coming up with ideas none of them would have seen in isolation. You also create the ideal conditions for AI adoption. AI thrives on rich, connected data. Break the silos, and you pave the way for advanced analytics and machine learning to drive your next stage of growth. The bottom line: breaking silos isn't a someday project. It's an urgent priority if you want to remain competitive. Your larger rivals are doing it, and nimble startups are born without silos. So act now. Rally your leadership, align those goals, invest in your people and the right tech. Unify your data and your teams and conquer your market. Let's tear down those silos and watch your business soar.